Good morning, everyone. My name is Sabha, and today we are doing debate here on a very charismatic topic that holidays should be given to the people or not. Well, in my personal point of view, holidays should be given to the people because I have several reasons behind it. One of them is about the pressure that in the holidays means in when we do our work consistently, so we get pressure. Okay, our mind doesn't get time to relax. Okay, when we will have holidays, so we can relax. Okay, but for explaining this, I would like to give an example. There was a girl named Anna Sebastian. Okay, she passed her CA exam on November 2023, and then she got job in EY Pune on 2024, and after just 4 months she died, and she was just 26 years old. Why? What was the reason behind it that she was died? The main reason was pressure. Because of the pressure, she died. She was very hardworking and she used to be given a lot of work. Even at night, she used to do work. She was unable to sleep properly. She was unable to eat food on time. That affected her mentally, physically, and emotionally. Because of that, she died. And now I would like to give I would like to give data about it that MC Kinsey Health Institute surveyed on April 2022 to 15,000 employees and 1,000 managers. The survey found that 40% of Indian employees are showing the symptoms of anxiety, depression. That is why the Indian employees want to want to leave the, want to leave their jobs. A very good morning to all of you. I am Fabia, and once again, I'm standing in front of you for doing a debate on a very amazing and incredible topic, which is in the regard of holidays. That should holidays be given to the people, to the children, to the students, or not? So, in my perception, it should not be given because whole year totally we get 106 holidays. How? If I tell you about the national holidays, 17 holidays we are given by our government, and 34 holidays religion, and 40 holidays we get the winter vacation, 14 holidays we get the summer vacation, 15 holidays we get the winter vacation. Like this we are wasting our whole year. Is 106 holidays are less for you for taking the rest, for decreasing your pressure, for removing your anxiety? Is 106 days left less? Of course not, I don't think so. Be- because for improving themselves we need hard work, and I think that more than hard work, smart work is important. How? Because when we will do study with consistency, so we will improve. There will be improvement in our study also. Like this we can get success also in our life, just because of our consistency. But if there will be a holiday while studying, when you will go school daily, when you will come from there, so you will be habitual for this. But there will be a holiday who will disturb you. They will disturb you while studying, and like this your consistency will break. As Sabha is talking about the pressure, so for the study, for becoming something, you need pressure at first. Without pressure you cannot do study and you cannot get success also. If I give you the example of employees who works in an office, so until when there will not be a head of company, and until when he will not pressurize you, so you will not do work. You will think that I will do work, but when I will get time. Like this they will do work, but when there will be a pressure, at that time he will also do work. Just because of the pressure, students and employees do work. And as she's talking about, most of the people are dying because of the pressure, so I would like to tell you, it is not a reason. There will be some mentally reason which they are facing with, because of their family also. Anything can happen, but just only you are saying that it is the fault of holidays, it is the fault of holidays. And as I have told you, 106 holidays we are given, so it is enough for us. Okay. So, as I want to give answer to my opponent, as he talked about the holidays, that we are given 106 holidays, but she talked about only students. She didn't talk about the employees. She didn't talk about the laborers.
Just she talked about the students. What about those people who are not getting holidays? And let me tell you that in India there are 34 restricted holidays in 2024. What about it? And as you talked about the pressure, that there would be other reasons. It's not like that. As I told you about the Anna Sebastian, she used to live alone. And it's not about the Anna Sebastian. There are so many cases which has happened because of the pressure.
Sabah, didn't I tell you about the national holidays? Didn't I tell you about the region holidays? Means these holidays employees are also getting. It is like that. It means everyone. National holidays are compulsory for everyone, so they are also getting holidays. It is not like that they are dying because of the holidays. They are doing work 24/7. So there, it is not a reason. If we are saying that holidays should not be given in a less amount, it can be given, but not like this. It is given for the development of country. There should be a less holidays, like in South Korea, Lavita, United States, Germany and France. There are holidays but in a less amount, and these are the developed country. It means for development of the country, we need that there should be a less holiday. In a less amount there should be holidays, but in our India, unlimited holidays we are given. Like at the end of month we get the holiday. Do we need, like, Good Friday we get the holiday? Do we need? What do we do at that time? Second Saturday we get every month. Why do we need these all kinds of holiday? We don't need. What do we do at that time?
About whom are you talking? About whom? About students you are talking. Why don't you talk about those laborers? Why don't you talk about those employees who are not getting this type of holidays?
They are getting Sabha.
They
They
are
are
not
also
getting. Are
getting.
they
Didn't I
getting the
tell
holiday
you?
of second Saturday? Are they getting the holiday of Good Friday? Of course not. You are wrong here.
But
And
they
now
are
I
also
would
getting 17 holidays and 37 holidays. These are enough for them. 51 holidays
I don't
are not
think
enough
so.
for employees.
And now
It is
I would
enough
like to-
because for the development of their company, if they take holiday again and again, so how their company will develop? Tell me.
Now I would like to give a report that according to the labor ministry, in a company employees will have to do work 12 hours in a day. Okay, it means if you do 5 days, if you do work 5 days in a week, so it means you will do 60 hours. But in a developed countries, you will find that there will be 48 hours including extra time.
Listen,
What is
Sabha.
it?
What do I want to say actually? If there will not be a holiday, so we are not saying that study, do work 24/7. There will not be a holiday, so you can manage your time very easily because daily you will complete your work. Like this, you will not have any kind of pressure of study. But when there will be a holiday, then you will have pressure also, then you will have anxiety also, then you will have depression also, because just because of the holidays these all things are happening. And I would like to say that holidays should be given in a less amount because in excess nectar poisons. That's it.
Let me tell her schedule, that how can we manage our time. In a day we will do 12 hours work, means in a day we have 24 hours. 12 hours will do work, 8 hours will sleep. What means, how many time will we get for other works? Just 4 hours. In 4 hours can you complete your work? Of course not. There are so many works.
4 hours less.
We cannot.
Is 4 hours
We
less?
cannot.
Less.
Okay.
In
Yes.
4 hours you can complete your work. It's up to you. You are not doing, so it's not a fault of time also. It's not a fault of holidays.
I
also.
don't think so.
I
And
think
second
like
thing, I would like to talk about the health. That if we do not get holidays, so our health can be destroyed. Okay, we will not be healthy. First of all, we will feel some tiredness, and after that, that tiredness will change into the disease, and that disease can kill us as well. Sometimes.
Okay, I would like to talk about the soldiers. According to them, holidays should be given for everyone. So I would like to tell you, when there will be holidays for the soldiers also, what will happen? Pakistan and other country will attack on you. Like this, Pahalgam terrorists will come and they will say to you, Assalamu alaikum. And this thing will happen when there will be a holiday for the soldiers also. Would you like to face these things? Of course not. No one want to face. And if there will be a holiday for the doctors, if there is emergency, what will you do at that time?
It's not
You
like
will say
that,
that there is
Fabia.
a holiday.
We will have shifts.
Doctor will say to you that there is holiday. I cannot help you. Please, I'm sorry. I cannot help you. This thing will happen when there will be a holiday. But for the doctors, there is no holiday. That's why you are living here. That's why this is people who are facing disease. They are also fine now just because of the doctors, because there are no holidays.
Wait a minute. It's not like that, Fabia. We will have shifts for the soldiers. Like in the morning shift, some other soldiers will
But
be
then
there,
there
and
will
the
be a holiday
evening
for
shift,
everyone, so there will not be any kind of shift and all.
it's not like that, Fabia.
It
You
is
are
like
wrong
that.
here.
It is